I did post in my Instagram, but I did not show what I have. Perhaps you want to pause this video and guess what is this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I have purchased regardless of brand or price, as I personally love items that are well made, good quality and suit my lifestyle. Yes, today as you can see here, I did post in my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link below. That I have this small little unboxing coming up, and I'm so glad I got this. And my SA is so kind that she kept this for me while she's on leave. When I ordered it, she's going on leave, and she told me that she will keep it for me until she's back from her leave and I can go and pick it up. So I'm so glad I got this. Let me open up and show you what it is and share my thoughts and thought process behind this. This is a true unboxing. As I have not unboxed it, I want to unbox it with you guys. I've checked it in the store, that's all, but then I have not unboxed it. When I come back, I have not unboxed it when I come back. It is nicely wrapped, and I love Chanel ribbon. It is very contrasting, black and white. And this is the care card. Let me put this aside. I love the camellia rope. Their camellia is very nice. It's very pretty. So I do keep this camellia, actually very pretty. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, this is the care booklet to review. Yes, I got this. This is the brooch that I want for quite a while, that I'm looking for. It's not easy to get, and it is a very classic piece. Let me take it out, show you. Yes, this is the brooch that she kept for me, and this brooch is, the name of this brooch is Metal and Diamantis Silver and Crystal. This is the name actually stated in the website. That's all the explanation in the website. They did not write any other things from this simple description of it. And this is in silver, but in some certain lighting you perhaps can see a bit like yellowish, but then it is silver, so it is quite big. This is a staple piece in my collection. I do not have any brooch, any Chanel brooch, but I thought this will be a good one for occasions when I need a brooch, when occasions where I need to just dress it up with a simple dress, that I do not need to put any other accessories. I bought this is because I want to have a staple piece. And let me open up to show it to you. Here you are. It is very nice against the black. Apparently I was told they have changed the hook for this. It's no longer the hook where you can turn up and down. It always comes out, and this is just a hook to turn like that. This hook, if you can see, is just to push it down, and it is quite hard push actually. Yeah, quite hard push, but push it down and push it in. Yeah, when the light shines, sometimes it shows different color. I like this because it's kind of like very versatile. You can wear it with any dark color shirts or dress or jackets, or even a light color one. So this is a very versatile piece. Let me show you the measurement of it. I have measurement for this. Let me show you. It's from this end to this end. It's about 4.5. I would say, yeah, 4.5 to 5. 4.5 to a bit slightly 5. And from the top to the bottom, the middle part of it, which is the quite high part of it that I take from the middle part. Let me show you. 3.5, not really 4 yet. Yes, it's about 3.5. Not really 4 yet, I would say, about 3.5. So I would say that this width of it is about 5 cm, and the height of it is about 3.5 here. 3.5 here, of course, here is smaller. This height here is about, the middle part of it is about 3.5. I was told by her as well that they do have warranty for their costume jewelry for 2 years. When you spray perfume, you use a perfume first before you put on your brooch or any costume jewelry per se. It's not just brooch, but any costume jewelry, and it's not just Chanel, but any costume jewelry. I'll show you again. Okay. In different lighting, you can see sometimes it shows different color, silver and crystal. It is a forever piece and very classic piece. It's like you need one brooch or two brooch, or one brooch enough, you know. Just like you need one brooch for everything. That is it. You don't need too many. I do not intend to spend so much on so many brooches and all these things. I know never said never, but then again, I don't see myself for now any more brooch, because I do wear brooch, but not always as well. It's occasionally on certain suits or certain jackets or dress that when necessary, when I need to wear brooch, and it's not all the occasion that I need to wear brooch. So one piece will be good enough for me. It will be a forever piece for me. If you intend to get one, perhaps you can take the photo of this and let your SA. I do not have the product code with me here actually. You can actually take the photo and show your SA. And in the website actually it is just written as metal and diamantis, silver and crystal, which will actually help to elevate a look. So I'm not saying just Chanel, but any brooch that you have in your collection. Let's say you can just put a brooch, it actually looks more put together, and it actually looks more I would say it actually looks more like you take some effort to actually dress up slightly. So it's a kind of forever piece, and it is not as expensive as a handbag. Just I'm not saying this is cheap. What I mean saying that it is a staple piece that you want to start your collection. Like me, I have a very small collection that you can use brooch as one of it, like belt, brooch, and handbag is more expensive. But if you, let's say, you don't want to spend on the handbag price, and which is so expensive for Chanel. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you have any question, and if you love this video, perhaps you can consider subscribing by clicking on subscribe button below and the notification button, so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.